Welcome to our journey through the cosmos. You know, here on Earth we often think of our planet as the ultimate paradise. It's teeming with life, has vast oceans and a protective atmosphere. But what if I told you that there might be planets out there orbiting distant stars that could be even more suitable for life than our own? Today we're exploring 4 planets that might just be better for life than Earth. Buckle up, space enthusiasts and students, as we dive into the wonders of the universe. Join us aboard our spacecraft, where our commander will guide us through the journey to these hospitable planets. Our first stop takes us just a stone's throw away on the cosmic scale, a mere 4.2 light-years from Earth to Proxima Centauri b. This exoplanet is the closest known exoplanet to our solar system, making it a prime candidate for future exploration and study.
Attention crew, as we approach Proxima Centauri b, you'll notice it orbits Proxima Centauri, a red dwarf star that's smaller and cooler than our own sun. Red dwarfs are the most common type of star in the Milky Way galaxy, and they have long lifespans which could provide stable conditions for planets orbiting them. Now you might think a cooler star would make for a less hospitable planet, but don't jump to conclusions just yet. Despite its cooler temperature, Proxima Centauri emits enough energy to potentially support life on its orbiting planets. Proxima Centauri b resides within what's known as the habitable zone, the sweet spot around a star where temperatures are just right for liquid water to exist on a planet's surface. This zone is often referred to as the Goldilocks zone because conditions are neither too hot nor too cold, and as we know, water is essential for life as we understand it. The presence of liquid water increases the chances that Proxima Centauri b could harbor some form of life, even if it's just microbial. But here's where things get even more intriguing. The potential for life on Proxima Centauri b doesn't end with just the presence of water. Astronomers believe that Proxima Centauri b might have an atmosphere even thicker than Earth's. This thick atmosphere could play a crucial role in maintaining surface conditions that are conducive to life. A dense atmosphere could provide a couple of key advantages. It could act as a protective shield, blocking harmful radiation from reaching the planet's surface. First, it could shield the planet's surface from harmful radiation from Proxima Centauri, which is known to be a bit more active than our Sun. This protection is vital for any potential life forms that might exist on the planet. Second, a thick atmosphere could help distribute heat more evenly across the planet, potentially creating a wider range of habitable environments. This even distribution of heat could prevent extreme temperature variations, making the planet more stable and hospitable. Imagine vast continents with diverse ecosystems, all bathed in the warm glow of a red dwarf sun. These ecosystems could range from lush forests to expansive oceans, each teeming with unique forms of life. Of course, we're still in the early stages of studying Proxima Centauri b. Much of what we know is based on indirect observations and models. We need more powerful telescopes to analyze its atmosphere and search for telltale signs of life, like the presence of certain gases. Future missions and advanced technology will be crucial in uncovering the mysteries of this intriguing exoplanet. But the possibility of a habitable world right on our cosmic doorstep is incredibly exciting. It fuels our imagination and drives our quest to explore the universe, searching for other places where life might exist.
Now let's journey a bit farther afield, about 1,400 light-years away, to a planet known as Kepler 452b. This distant world has captured the imagination of scientists and space enthusiasts alike.
Attention crew, as we approach Kepler 452b, you'll notice its striking similarities to Earth. This exoplanet has earned the nickname Earth's older cousin because of these resemblances. It's a fascinating place that offers a glimpse into what Earth might look like in the distant future. For starters, Kepler 452b orbits a star that's remarkably similar to our Sun in size and temperature. This star, known as Kepler 452, provides the right conditions for a potentially habitable environment. But here's the kicker. Kepler 452b is about 60% larger than Earth and orbits its star at a distance that places it squarely within the habitable zone. This means it could have liquid water on its surface, a key ingredient for life as we know it. Now, a planet this size could have a stronger gravitational pull than Earth, which might seem like a downside. However, this increased gravity could also have some surprising benefits. But consider this. A stronger gravity could help Kepler 452b hold onto its atmosphere for a longer period of time, potentially billions of years longer than Earth. This extended atmospheric retention could create a stable environment for life to thrive. And that's crucial because a long-lived atmosphere gives life ample time to emerge and evolve. The stability provided by such an atmosphere could be the key to the development of complex life forms. Think about it. Life on Earth has had about 4 billion years to diversify and flourish. This long evolutionary timeline has allowed for the incredible diversity of life we see today. Kepler, 452b, with its potentially ancient atmosphere, could be home to life forms far more advanced than anything we can imagine. The possibilities are truly mind-boggling. We're talking about the possibility of complex ecosystems, perhaps even intelligent beings who have developed advanced technologies. These civilizations could be far ahead of us in terms of technological and cultural development. It's a tantalizing thought, isn't it? The idea that somewhere out there, a planet exists that could be teeming with life, just waiting to be discovered. Of course, as with Proxima Centauri b, we need further observations to confirm whether Kepler 452b truly lives up to its potential as a super-habitable world. Advanced telescopes and future space missions will be crucial in uncovering the secrets of this intriguing exoplanet.
Chapter 3, TRAPPIST-1e, A World of Water.
Crew, prepare for our approach to the TRAPPIST-1 system. Ahead, you'll see a star slightly smaller than Jupiter, hosting 7 Earth-sized planets. One of these planets, TRAPPIST-1e, has captured the attention of astronomers worldwide. As we get closer, you'll notice that TRAPPIST-1e orbits within the habitable zone, and it's thought to be a rocky world like Earth. But here's the truly intriguing part. Some scientists believe that TRAPPIST-1e could be a water world, with a significant portion of its surface, perhaps even the entire planet, covered in liquid water. Imagine a planet where vast oceans stretch as far as the eye can see, dotted with countless islands and archipelagos. This watery world could be a haven for life, with diverse ecosystems thriving in its depths and on its shores. The possibilities are truly breathtaking. Of course, there are still many unknowns about TRAPPIST-1e. We need to study its atmosphere to determine its composition and look for signs of water vapor or other biosignatures. But the prospect of finding a water world so relatively close to Earth is an exhilarating one.
Chapter 4, LHS 1140b, a prime target for future study.
As we approach LHS 1140b, a fascinating super-Earth located about 49 light-years from Earth, you'll notice its unique characteristics that have captured the attention of astronomers and scientists worldwide. This massive planet is about 7 times more massive than Earth and orbits a red dwarf star. Red dwarf stars are known for their longevity and stability, making their planetary systems particularly interesting for the study of habitability. You might think a planet this large would be a gas giant like Jupiter or Saturn. However, LHS 1140b defies this expectation. LHS 1140b is thought to be a rocky planet residing within the habitable zone of its star. The habitable zone is the region around a star where conditions might be just right for liquid water to exist on a planet's surface, which is crucial for life as we know it. What makes LHS 1140b particularly intriguing is its potential for hosting life. Given its location in the habitable zone and its rocky composition, scientists are excited about the possibility that this planet could have conditions suitable for life. It's thought to have a relatively calm and stable environment, with less volcanic activity than some other super-Earths. A stable environment is essential for the development and sustainability of life, as it allows for more predictable and less hostile conditions. And because it's so massive, LHS 1140b could have a substantial atmosphere, which could protect any potential life from harmful radiation. A thick atmosphere can also help regulate the planet's temperature, making it more hospitable. Now I know what you're thinking, 49 light-years is a long way to travel, and you're right. However, in the grand scheme of the universe, this distance is relatively close, making LHS 1140b an accessible target for our most advanced telescopes. But LHS 1140b is a prime target for future study with next-generation telescopes, like the James Webb Space Telescope. These advanced instruments will allow us to gather more detailed data than ever before. These telescopes will allow us to analyze the planet's atmosphere in more detail and search for those tantalizing biosignatures that could indicate the presence of life. Biosignatures are chemical indicators that suggest biological processes, and finding them would be a groundbreaking discovery. The discovery of life beyond Earth would be one of the most profound discoveries in human history, and LHS 1140b just might be the place where we make that momentous find. Imagine the impact on science, philosophy, and our understanding of our place in the universe.
Our spacecraft ride concludes here, but the journey of exploration never ends. Thanks for joining us on this cosmic adventure. We've explored just a tiny fraction of the billions upon billions of stars and planets that grace our universe. Remember, the universe is vast and full of possibilities. Who knows what other wonders await our discovery? Stay curious and keep exploring.